the only task manager that follows up for you accounts. Meet FollowUP, powered by AI.
This procedure outlines the steps to change the status of a task within the Trueaiwork application. It ensures consistent task tracking and status updates for project management compliance. Click Your task within the Trueaiwork application to begin the task status update process. Click the In Progress Status option to indicate that the task is currently underway and actively being worked on. Click the Completed status to mark the task as finished, ensuring accurate project tracking and completion records. This procedure successfully updates a task status from initiation to completion within Trueaiwork, project management, and compliance tracking.